Hello everybody out there, how are you? Today we are going to make some falafel, and the first thing we need is chickpeas. This is best to use dried chickpeas that you've soaked overnight, which is what I did. The canned ones don't really work very well. So on top of that we're going to add a small onion, and I like my onion chopped really fine, like this. I'm just going to add it to that. And then we have a 1/4 cup of fresh parsley. Also, I chopped that pretty fine. 4 or 5 cloves of garlic. I have roasted garlic here, which I love the flavor of. A little bit of salt. I use a Himalayan salt. It's about close to 2 teaspoons. And we have some fresh coriander and pepper. Now, I ground them together, so it's 1 teaspoon of coriander and a 1/4 teaspoon of fresh black pepper. And the last ingredient is a little bit of chickpea flour. If you want to keep it gluten-free, you can use this, and this just kind of tightens up the mix. It's about 2 tablespoons. And now we are going to pulse it. You want to pulse it till it gets a nice kind of a rough chop, but not too rough. And don't be afraid to scrape down the sides. You want to make sure all those chickpeas have been chopped by the blades. Give it one more pulse here. And there we are. And now we're just going to pour this into a bowl and let it sit for a couple hours so the flavors mix. Well, our falafel mix has rested for about an hour. And now we're going to make some falafel. Some people have one of those fancy falafel makers, but we just kind of do it by hand. Just form them like that. And the falafels are formed. And we are going to fry the falafel right now. The oil is at about 380, which is just about perfect. And slowly drop them in. Gotta cook for about 4 minutes. Can you hear that? Some chefs call that applause. The sound of everything frying. Oh yeah. And here they are, golden brown and delicious. And here we are, the finished falafels. Absolutely delicious.